Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time coming across one of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the red button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Also share it to your friends and family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming to my channel to support me. God bless you. I love you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I cover my cake with ganache. But first I'm going to be doing the ganache, then I'll show you guys the way I make my ganache. Pineapple ganache, yes, that's the first thing that I'm going to do. Then later on we'll use it to decorate a cake. Yeah, okay guys, so let's start. I have here, this is my double cream. Yeah, it's 225 grams. Then I have my pineapple, which is 60 grams of pineapple. And I have my chocolates, white chocolates, yeah, which is 700 grams. So first thing I have to do is to pour the white chocolate. Guys, not white chocolate. Oh my god, what am I saying? To pour my cream on my white chocolate. I just realized what I just said. I'm going to mix it together. Okay guys, so that is it at the moment now. So it's not melt, so now I'm taking it to the microwave. I'm going to use the microwave for like 30 seconds until all the chocolates it's melt, because if I should leave it long it might burn. So I'm going to be using 30 seconds to do this. So I will show you guys when is. You can as well use low heat, very low heat, but sometimes I do use fire. But the reason I'm not using it, I always get burned, so someone need to be very careful with it. So that's why I prefer microwave. So I'm going to use microwave now to melt it. Then I should be right back, guys. Guys, yeah, I'm back from the microwave. There's still little bits on it, so that's why I'm stirring it so that it all blend and melt. Yeah. Now it's time to add my pineapple. You see the way it is, guys. So at this time now I'm going to take it to my mixer and use my mixer. So when I use my mixer now, it will become white. This is my vanilla extract, so I put just a little bit on it. Yeah guys, so that is it. So guys, that is it. See how thick it is, very thick, and you see the color compared to the one I showed you earlier on when I made it in the microwave. In case you guys are hearing sound from the background, is my son is just watching from his tablet. I apologize for that. So that is it. So I'm going to stop here guys for this video, and I'm going to see you on the next video, which is the decoration of the cake with this ganache. So I don't want to put them together so that this video will not be too long. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys, love you guys, bye bye.